Okay, in this lesson we're going to take a look at reflections. All right, so we have one page here we're going to do on the video. It should be pretty short for you. Pay attention to the notation, all right, and get a little background information. Then in class we're going to work on the last 3 pages. All right, so first, number 1 here, there are 3 triangles, or well, not all triangles, but 3 shapes they want us to reflect over the given line of reflection. So, and there's this nice little grid in the background here. All right, so we have this quadrilateral NOUM, and we want to reflect that. So again, to reflect it, you just got to go to the same distance. You got to go right to that line of reflection. So we have 1 unit there, right? 1 unit there. So we got to go 1 unit the other way. So there's going to be O prime right there. That's going to be O prime. Okay, how many units away is U? 2 units. So we go 2 units the other way. Okay, so that's going to be U prime. All right. And then N is 3 units away, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go 3 units away, 1, 2, 3. So there is N prime. And then M is 1 unit away. So we're going to go 1 unit the other way. So 1 unit to the line, 1 unit the other way. And that's going to be M prime, the image of M. Okay, so now all we got to do is connect. We're going to do the best we can to connect this, right? Boom, boom. Boom, and oh, what did I do? Oh, I don't want to connect there, sorry. We don't connect N to U. Ah, sorry. Boom, and boom, and boom. There we go. Okay, so doesn't look great because I'm free-handed on this little device I have here, but there it is. Okay, so O, N, M, we just reflected it over the line of reflection. Okay, just count how many units, go right to the line and then count that many the other way. All right, and then this one here, so we're do one point at a time. All right, so I'm going to switch to purple here. Okay, so Q, go right to the line. How many units away from the line is Q? 2 units away, so go 2 units the other side. So there's going to be Q prime right there, Q prime. Where's J? J is 1 unit away, so we're going to go 1 unit the other side. There's J prime. And P is 2 units away, so we'll go 2 units the other way, and that's going to be P prime. All right, so we just connect Q, J, and P. Should have got the straight edge out. Close enough, right? More like that. There we go. Okay, and that's J prime. All right, so Q prime, J prime, P prime. There we go. There is the reflection. Okay, looks a little bubbly because this didn't really. It should have been more like this. There we go. That looks a little better. And then you could fill it in. You know, you could color it in. Okay. And there we go. See how it's flipped over? It flipped over that line. All right. And then here's one here. So we're going to go 1 unit right there. Okay. So what happened with this R right here? What does it do? Okay. So we got to go down 1, right, and over. So it looks like it's going to be. Where is it going to be? The exact same side. If you flip, what you're going to want to do is kind of fold your paper along the line, right? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So we're right there. We're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. So see how I did that? Okay. So I went down 2 and over 2 from here. Down 2 and over 2, and then I just went over 2 and down 2, the opposite direction. All right, and then here I had to go down 1 over 1. Okay, down 1 over 1. So I'm going to go down 1 over 1. And there it is right there. All right, so there's T prime, here's S prime, and here's R prime. All right, and we're just going to connect those. Okay, and there we go. See how it's flipped over? We flipped over that line of reflection. Okay, we can color it in if we want to. Nice and purpley, nice and cute. There we go. All right. There's our 3 reflections. So there's graphing if you have to do it yourself. Now we're going to determine the pre-image, then reflect it, and determine the image coordinates. Okay, so A, all right, so point A is -2, 5, right? -2, 5, here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -2, 5, right there. They want us to reflect A over the x-axis. See this right here? Reflect over the x-axis. All right, where's the x-axis? It's right here. Okay, reflect point A over the x-axis. All right, so the x-axis is right here. So that's my line of reflection. How far away am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the other direction, and that's going to be A prime. Okay, so what is that? What are the coordinates? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -2, -5. Okay. Point B, we want to reflect over the y-axis. Point B now, we want to reflect over the y-axis. So we are reflecting over this axis right here. Here's our line of reflection. Point B, how many units away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And there is B prime. What are the coordinates of B prime? Start at 0, right? 1 looks like -5 and 7. -5 and 7 would be the coordinates of B prime. See how they want us to reflect over the y-axis? Now we're reflecting over M. R, lowercase r, means reflection, and then over M. So we're reflecting over a line. Line M is right here. Reflect over line M. Okay, we want point C to reflect over line M. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Boom. What's the coordinates? 9, -4. 9, -4. How about a reflection in the x-axis again? Okay, reflect over the x-axis. What do I want to reflect over the x-axis? Point D. Here's point D. Reflect over the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4 points away. 1, 2, 3, 4 points the other way. There is D prime based on a reflection in the x-axis. What are the coordinates? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, -4. All right. Now we want to reflect over line N. Reflect over line N. And what point do I want to reflect? I want to reflect point A over line N. So 2 units right there, and we'll go 2 units the other way. Boom, right there. -2, 1. -2, 1. I hope you're trying these. Pause the video and try them. Okay, try the last couple and then come back. Make sure you know how to do them. Reflect over line M, point B. Here's line M. And now we want to reflect point B. Where the heck's point B? Right there. Oh, it's only 1 unit away. Boom, boom. That's easy. Right there. There's B prime. It's at 7, 7. 7, 7. 7, 7. And then one more, we're going to reflect over the y-axis. Reflect point C over the line axis. Over the y-axis. I just want to get used to the notation, what that means. Reflection, y-axis, point C. So take point C, reflect over the y-axis. Here's my y-axis, right? Go over that. Boom, boom, boom. 3 points. Boom, boom, boom. 3 points. Wait, 1, 2, 3. There it is. There's C prime. What are my coordinates? Boom, boom, boom. -3, -4. -3, -4. Okay, so hopefully you're getting something out of this. Last one, determine the name of the point that meets the given condition. So they gave us a diagram here with all things, with all bunch of reflections going on. So let's take a look. All right, we got a reflection in line M of point A. So where's point A? There it is. Reflect over line M. Here's line M. Reflect that point over line M. So fold your paper on line M, and where does A land? That's what we're asking basically. Fold your paper along line M, and where is A landing? It's landing on C. So that is C. Okay? Reflect over line R, point D. Line R is the vertical line right here. It's labeled right here, see? And you're reflecting point D over it. Fold your paper on line R, and D will hit B. So we get B. Okay? Oh, I'm going out of order. Here's B here. All right, so reflection in line N. Line N is this line, and we want point C, so fold along that line. What does point C do? Point C, if you fold along that line, goes to G. Some of you are just going to be able to see it. Some of you actually need to fold it, whatever it is, okay? All right, now they're saying line P, reflect over line P. Reflect over line P. And what is the pre-image when we have B? Well, it's not done any differently. We have B, so the pre-image must have been F, because you fold along that green line, so the pre-image must have been F. All right? So I think you get the hang of it. Try those, and I'm going to give you the answers, and if you don't get them, you can ask me in class tomorrow what I did, because I want to save you time. Pause your video, make sure you get these. Okay? Hopefully you tried them. Ready? You should get B, A, B, and E. That's what you should have got for those last four. All right? So I will see you in class tomorrow to practice these skills and a little bit more.